Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration. Today we are exploring the old expo sites, and one of the locations I brought you to has these abandoned planes everywhere. I'm super excited about it. I just found this little plane here, and we're going to go out and take a look at a jumbo jet. Abandoned jumbo jet. If you love urban exploration videos, especially with a little China twist, be sure to hit subscribe for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration every week. Let's go. I wonder if we can get into the cockpit of this plane. It's really dusty. Oh shit, it opens. Oh man, it's super dusty in here. Oh, this is fucking awesome. I'm in the cockpit of this little plane. I've never actually been in one of these planes before, so it's really random be in here with all the control panel and everything. I'm getting absolutely filthy and bitten by a million mosquitoes though. Let's take a look at the control panel. This is super exciting. There's all the radios. Fuel pump. Wow, this is awesome. Look at this as well, the propeller. Oh, that's so cool. So we're actually right behind the Russian pavilion for the old expo site right now, and everything is being demolished around here, and this area has become like a junkyard for just things that they need to kind of hide and get rid of for the time being. This plane is one. Another one that we're going to take a look at is a fucking jumbo jet outside. I'm super excited. Let's go see if we can find it. This is the best urban exploration of the year. Yes! I think it's around here somewhere. How are we going to get to it? Oh my God, there it is, really. I can't believe we found it. Now the question is, can we get up there? I'm standing under the wing of the plane right now. I'm just trying to figure out a way to actually get into it. It looks like it's been gutted inside, like all the seats and everything taken out, but it'd be awesome if I can get inside. There must be a way, must be. Always a way to get into places. Never give up. How do I get up there? You know, we're actually super lucky to be in this place right now because this whole expo site is in the process of being demolished. This part was actually the aviation park. There were lots of planes on display here. It looks like we're in one of the turbines right now. I'm still not quite sure how to get up, but really exciting. It's so hot though. What I really love is all like these warning signs, these little instruction messages which are all over it. It's all in English as well. It's fantastic. Whoa. What do you think of the little ladder I've made? It's super windy out here. I hope it's not going to blow down. Let's see if I can get up it. Oh God, I finally made it. It's so hot today, and that is easily one of the most difficult entries I've ever had to do in Burbex. That one was a little bit risky. I kept worrying that the whole table was gonna fall over, but it didn't. And I made it. Oh, it's cool in there now, I love it. Let's take a look around the inside of this gutted plane. So this plane has been abandoned for about 10 years, ever since the last Expo in 2010. For a long time, it was actually used as like a Red Bull party area, you know, for promotional parties for Red Bull. And I think in that sense, it's a great location. But now they're knocking down all the Expo sites. This has got to go with it. I have no idea what they're going to do with this massive plane. If you've got any ideas about what we could do with it, please drop a message in the comments box below, and maybe you can come up and party with me up here. Oh my God, I'm dripping with sweat. Let's take a look around, see what we can see in here. Look at this. Stay strong, that's a good motto. Brin tries to stay strong all the time to bring you fantastic videos. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe for great new videos from Burbex every fucking week. The Shanghai Expo happened in 2010, and actually I remember going to the Expo. When you went to the Expo, you had to queue up for a long time to get like this little passport, and every time you went to a different country's pavilion, you would get a stamp in that little passport. Unfortunately, I didn't want to queue because it was too hot. I didn't have any money, so I went around getting the stamps all over my body. So I think I collected about 20 stamps. Not many of the pavilions actually remain anymore, but in the background, if you look just under this white arch here, you can see the Russian pavilion, which I've been wanting to get back into for a while. I've been in there exploring a few years ago, but now there's a lot of security and a lot of demolition going on, so it makes it more difficult, but we will try and get in there. Let's take a look at the plane. I'm sitting at the end of the wing right now. It's shaking a little bit. That makes me a bit nervous. Like I said, this is part of the old Aviators Park, where there would have been planes on display. Just seems absolutely amazing this place has been abandoned. I love it here so much. You gotta come here. Leave a comment in the box below, fix a time to come to Shanghai, and we can go out. Oh Jesus, my hair's going crazy. Looks like a pineapple. Let's go up and see if we can get in the cockpit now. Woohoo, a cockpit. There's no ladder or stairs going up to the cockpit, so I'm gonna have to try and get to the mid-level of the plane. I'm not quite sure how to do that, but you know I never give up. Let's see if we can do it. You know, like when you see those chimpanzees, the really smart ones, I think they're called baboa or bilboa chimpanzees, and they start to use tools to try and figure out how to do things. A lot of the time when I come out on urban explorations like this, urbex trips like this, I had to try and create tools. You saw me creating a nice little ladder to get up onto the wing, and now I'm going to see if I can make another little ladder to get up into the cockpit. Wish me luck. Well, I tried hard, but that was a complete failure. Let's see if we can figure out another way to do it. This one looks more challenging. That method didn't work out either. It's so hot and I'm sweating like crazy right now, but I will not admit defeat. I'm coming back to this location and we will get up into the cockpit next time. Let's see if we can get the selfie stick up there so you can have a quick look around. Well, alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. Bit of a special one today. If you liked it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for great new videos from Burbex, Brin's Urban Exploration every week. Now, I just have to figure out how to jump off the wing and get back down to the ground. This might be tricky. Wish me luck. Fingers crossed. Let's go. One of the most interesting things about climbing up onto higher places is how you get down from them. Oh shit, how am I going to get down again? I'm not quite sure I'm going to do this one. Wish me luck. Not bad, right?